today I'm reviewing the Supergoop Everyday Sunscreen with SPF 50. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased all these products with my own money, so you know you can trust my opinion is what I honestly believe. So welcome back to Sunscreen Week, or 2 weeks. I'm reviewing all of the sunscreens I own and use. And the Supergoop Everyday Sunscreen is one of the ones. I've had a few little sample bottles I've gotten in some kits, but never used this for more than a couple weeks at a time. And I'm kind of going to let you guys know my thoughts based on my Sarah score scale of 10 criteria. And my first criteria is packaging, and this is obviously one of the travel sizes, but this Everyday Sunscreen comes in 3 different sizes. 2 are 2 bottles, and 1 is a large pump bottle. The huge pump on it. It's a huge bottle. So they've done an awesome job with their packaging on pretty much all of their products. They've done a good job protecting the sunscreen from exposure to light and air, which helps protect the antioxidants in there. So they've done a very good job with that. My second criteria is denatured alcohol. And thankfully, they've only included good fatty alcohols in this. They haven't included any denatured alcohols, which are good. Denatured alcohols kind of do free radical damage and are very drying to your skin. Fatty alcohols are the good ones you want to look for. So when you see alcohol or some type of alcohol, you're never quite sure. You always have to do a little bit of research and digging to find out if it's a good one or a bad one. So in this product, they've only included the good ones. So it's good to see that. My third criteria is fragrance. And they have included fragrance in this sunscreen. And I'm assuming that's because this is a chemical sunscreen, and usually there's that chemical scent to it. And so a lot of times companies will include fragrance to help kind of cover that up, but it's better not to have any fragrance in it. They've included a lot of them in here: orange peel oil, lemon peel oil, rosewood, eucalyptus, eugenol, limonene, and Pelargonium graveolens flower oil, which is...
Whoa, is that a word? Maybe.
Not good. And they've also included patchouli oil. So they've included a lot of fragrance in this, and those all can cause sensitivity and contact dermatitis and skin irritation. And even if you apply it and don't notice any irritation, it doesn't necessarily mean your skin isn't being irritated with the use of it. And also, if you have sensitive skin, using a chemical sunscreen that also has fragrance and being in the sun just isn't a good trifecta. It's a trifecta for skin irritation. So it's just, chemical sunscreens should never be mixed with fragrance because it just is worse for your skin, more irritating. So anyway, especially if you have dry or sensitive skin. So this would have been much better had they not included those. So on to my number 4 criteria, which is manufacturing location. And it's manufactured in Australia, I believe is what it says. Although this one doesn't, no, this one's made in the US. Some of their other ones are made in Australia. This one was made in the US, so there's no issues there. My 5th criteria is ease of use, and this is very easy to use. It absorbs quickly, and the nice thing, since it's a chemical sunscreen, there's none of that white cast that some of the mineral sunscreens can leave a tint. This doesn't have that at all. So it definitely is smooth. It smooths over very easily and absorbs quickly. So if you have drier skin, this doesn't have a lot of emollients in there. And then also, if you have acne prone skin, this contains isosteryl isosterate, which I'm probably pronouncing wrong. But that's an ingredient that can sometimes cause clogged pores and breakouts. So just be alert to that ingredient. Anyway, so yeah, so it's very easy to apply. My 6th criteria is antioxidants. And this contains only a couple of antioxidants in here. It's got tocopherol and then lecithin. So it definitely, for a sunscreen, could use more antioxidants in there, especially when you be out in the sun. So I really wish that they would have included some more antioxidants in there. They don't really have many, especially for something where you're going to be out in the sun, you need more antioxidants. Something like vitamin C would have been great for them to include. Anyway, so they didn't really include much. So on to number 7, which is animal testing, and Supergoop is cruelty-free, which I absolutely love. On to number 8, which is performance, and I didn't give them a good mark for performance. I love the fact that it's an SPF 50, which is far above an SPF 30, which is kind of the standard, but it's got so many fragrance and fragrant oils in there. So if you have dry, sensitive skin, acne-prone skin, you're not going to want to use this at all. And even if you don't, it's just the potential for irritation with so many different fragrance components is just so high that you're better off avoiding it. In my opinion, Supergoop's Unseen Sunscreen is a much better option than this one. So, but anyway, so I just want to put that out there. If you like the Supergoop brand, check that one out. That one's much less irritants and much less fragrance components than this one does. So number 9 is price, and I give it a thumb up there. I like the fact that it comes in 3 different sizes. It's affordable. The 7.5 ounce size is $32, which is quite affordable. And, you know, I love the huge pump bottle that they've got. So it's not ridiculously expensive, which is also good. And then on to number 10, which is the It Factor. And I didn't give them a thumb up there. In my opinion, they focus too much on the scent of this product and you know, kind of canceling out the chemical sunscreen scent. They focus far too much on the fragrance and scent of this than focusing on antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So I wish they would have left out the fragrance and added more antioxidants in there. But unfortunately, that's not the direction they went with this one. But definitely, if you like this brand, I would much rather recommend checking out their Unseen Sunscreen, which I've also reviewed. So you can check that one out as well. But overall, this got a 6 out of 10, which is okay. Definitely could have done worse. Definitely could have done better. But anyway, so I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to try this one out yet or not. And if so, what your thoughts were. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more sunscreen reviews in Sunscreen Week. I'm reviewing all of the sunscreens I own and have tried. So stay tuned. Hopefully everyone can find one that works well for them. So as always, feel free to subscribe if you're not already. I come with at least 1 new review every day. Check out the Amazon link below and nobsbeauty.net if you want to help support the channel. Thank you so much, guys.